atmosphere. God, make you to come in and rest, rule, and abide with your people, God. Oh God, this morning we are crying out before you, Lord. Oh God, we are crying and pouring out, Lord, every insecurity this morning. In the mighty name of Jesus. Anything that is a hindrance on this morning from leading us, oh God, into your presence. Oh God, we are crying out and laying it at your feet, Lord. In the mighty name of Jesus. Oh God, we are asking, oh God,